How to fix TikTok shop not showing. If any day you are a TikTok user and the very option of TikTok shop is not showing on your TikTok account and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution on how you can solve it. For this, first of all, you have to find your TikTok application on your mobile device and then tap on it. After that, you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on notification and enable allow notification and allow sound and vibration. Again, you have to tap on the option of permissions and then allow permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, photos and videos. Again, you can go back then tap on the option of set as default. Here you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the option of storage. Here if you see any of the cache, you have to clear down the cache and then go back again. Then tap on the option of app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, if you see the option of update out there, you have to update your very application because sometimes not updating your application may create the very problem. Therefore, you can update your application and after updating it, you may find the feature. Thank you for watching our video and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.